Grammar for kids. What is the simple past tense? The simple past tense is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. Normally, the way to form the simple past tense is to add ed to the end of the verb. But this rule only applies to regular verbs like these. Let's practice. Can you change these words into the past tense by adding ed to the end? Jumped, climbed, washed. Let's practice changing the following sentences into the past tense using regular verbs. Meaning, we just add ed to the action word. Can you change this sentence into the past tense? Tom will wash his shoes. Did you say, Tom washed his shoes? The action word is wash, which means we need to add ed to the end to make it past tense. We also need to take away the word will. Can you change this sentence into the past tense? Tom and Mary kick a ball. Did you say, Tom and Mary kicked a ball? The action word is kick, which means we need to add ed to the end to make it past tense. Let's try one more. Can you change this sentence into the past tense? I climbed the tree. Did you say, I climbed the tree? The action word is climb, which means we need to add ed to the end to make it past tense. Can you make your own past tense sentence by looking at the picture? The girl cooked pancakes. Cooked is the word that makes this sentence past tense. Now it's your turn to try your own past tense sentences. See you next time. Goodbye.